Hello everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you in classtheta.com where we'll be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today question is, which of the following is covered by the health codes? Option A, sanitizations of the premises and the equipment. Option B, inspections of the livestock and the games animals. Option C, licensing requirements for maintenance workers. Option D, personal hygiene of customers. The correct answer of the question is the except covered by the health codes among the option provided is option A, sanitations of premises and the equipment. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask there in our sessions on the right side, the website fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.